Hello everybody, we are going to continue our lessons on KNIME. This is a workflow that we are going to discuss and this is the Excel sheet. This Excel sheet consists of data of customers and their purchases. So as you can see, we have this column order ID, order date, ship mode, customer ID, customer name, segment in the sense whether it's a home office, whether it's a consumer, or it's a corporate. Then the country, city, state, postal code, latitude and longitude, region, product ID, category, which is again the product category, and the subcategory and the product name. So these are the things that we have, and of course, including sales, quantity, discount, and profit. So in the session that we're going to cover today, we're going to analyze this data, and there's a lot of data here, and there are several things that we can analyze, but we're going to do one thing at a time. So let's go to KNIME. The first thing that we do is we get the node Excel reader because our file is in Excel. So you get this node. This node is available, the recommended nodes. If you just put your cursor over here, you will see Excel reader as one of the recommended nodes. And then all you have to do is just take this node and bring it to your canvas or your workflow. Since I already have one, I'm going to just go ahead and delete this particular node. So what we have to do is, as I mentioned to you in class, we click configure and we browse to find the Excel sheet, and in this case I've already done that, so you don't have to worry about it. Then go ahead and apply, and then that's it. Now once you do that, you have to click execute. Once you click execute, this node has done its job, and the next node, which is the Data Explorer node, is what we are going to use. So to find the Data Explorer node, as I mentioned in the class, you can just go ahead and find your Data Explorer node here by entering data space E, and then you can simply drag and drop this node into your workflow. I've already done that here, and in this case I have connected Data Explorer to Excel Reader. I don't make any changes here other than perhaps if you want to reduce the number of decimal places from 3 to 2, that should be good enough. Then you can leave the rest as it is, and go ahead and execute. Once you execute, you should be able to see the data over here. That's pretty normal. You can also see the Data Explorer view, in which case you should be able to see the numerical attributes, the nominal attributes, and the various statistical figures around it. So if you go to numeric, you will be able to see the min, max, mean, standard deviation, variance, etc. It is always a good idea to look at your data and use Data Explorer before doing anything further. So this is the first step. Now we'll move on to do other steps in the next video. Thank you.